The mitred conures, or parakeets, are among the most widespread of our California parrots, while the red-crowned Amazons are among the most numerous. These two parrot species may at times be seen feeding together. One may notice a bit of competitiveness arise between both species as well. As you will notice here, there's not always a singing party between these two birds. Close relatives of the mitred conures or parakeets are the smaller, red-masked parakeets or cherry-headed conures. Although quite famous in cities such as San Francisco, flocks in Southern California are not as commonly seen as their larger cousins. Here, a hungry lilac-crowned Amazon parrot finds a ripe persimmon fruit. Other members of the flock have their sights on more newly available foods, such as pepper tree seeds. Cherries also don't usually get passed up by the hungry flock. Perhaps the most interesting and controversial of the food items is the avocado. I have witnessed red-crowned Amazon parrots feed on these fruits on more than one occasion. This fruit has been deemed poisonous to parrots in aviculture, although I'm not quite sure if consumption may be limited to certain parrot species, or if only certain avocados possess the poison or fungus. Another possibility may be a food source ingested by the parrots to counteract any possible complications which may occur from the avocado. Because these answers have never been found, I can only suggest never trying this at home with a pet parrot. And here is an odd couple I found within the Amazon flock. It consists of a blue fern Amazon and a yellowhead Amazon parrot. It surprises me that these two species are more commonly seen together than with any other parrot species. These two species are also great mimickers, and are often heard mimicking each other's calls. And furthermore, most if not all blue fern hybrids in California were created from these two species.